In this video, we will discuss about a Python program for combining data from different worksheets of an Excel workbook. See this workbook called Mark List. There are 4 worksheets in this workbook, and these are the scores of 40 plus students from 4 different groups. Now to combine this data into a single worksheet, we'll close this file. Let's execute this Python program. Here is a button which says Select Excel File. See, the open dialog is activated. Using this dialog, we have to select the Excel file containing data. Mark List. Open. See, a new workbook is created. And this worksheet contains the data from 4 different worksheets of the workbook called Mark List. Now let's see how to write this Python program. Those who have Python, pandas and tkinter installed in their computer can skip this part. To download and install Python, download Python. Install now. So we have installed Python. Now to install pandas and tkinter, in the Windows search bar, type in cmd, open command prompt, pip install pandas space tk, enter. Tk stands for tk interface. Now we have pandas as well as tkinter installed in the computer. Now that we have Python and the essential libraries installed in the computer, let's create a Python program for combining data from different worksheets of an Excel workbook. Let me close this file. To open the Python file editor, in the Windows search bar, type in Python, open Python idle, file, new file. Let's save this file before writing the code. File, save. Type in the file name, save, and type in this code. Import pandas as AJ, Excel file path equal, apostrophe. Here we have to specify the file path of the Excel file containing data. To get the folder path, click on the address bar, right click, copy, paste the copied path here, backslash, now the file name. Here we have to specify the file path of the output file. I need the output file in the same folder. For that, now type in the file name. Before executing the program, let's save this code. File, save. Now to execute this program, run module. See, a new workbook is created. Data from all worksheets combined to data combined to XLSX. Let me open this workbook. See, the data from all worksheets of this workbook called Mark List is combined into this worksheet. Let's cross-check this data. Now let's try a bigger file with more data. Another workbook, sales data. This workbook called sales data has 11 worksheets with more than 19,000 rows of data. To combine data from all these worksheets into a single worksheet, back to the Python program. To combine the data from all worksheets of this workbook called sales data, all we need to do is replace this file name. Sales data is the file name. Type in sales data, file, save. Before executing the program, let me delete this file. Now to execute this program, run module. See, a new file called data combined is created. And this worksheet has the data from all those 11 worksheets of the workbook called sales data. More than 19,000 records. Now let's cross-check this data with the source file. Now I will explain this code very quickly. Import pandas as AJ. This line imports the Python library called pandas and assigns it the alias AJ. Pandas is a powerful Python library for data manipulation and analysis. Then the file path of the Excel file containing data is stored into a variable called Excel file path. This line uses pandas to open the Excel file specified by the variable Excel file path and stores it into another variable AJXLS. This new variable is created to access the worksheets within the specified Excel file. Then an empty list called AJ data frames is created. Then a for loop. This for loop will iterate through every worksheet of the workbook specified here. And for each worksheet in this workbook, AJ.read Excel function will read data and store it into a temporary data frame called DF. Each resulting data frame is then appended to a list called AJ data frames. Essentially, this loop is designed to extract data from all the worksheets in the specified Excel file and store each sheet's data as a separate data frame within the AJ data frames list. Once the iterations of the for loop are complete, this line combines all the data frames stored in the AJ data frames list into one large data frame called combined data using aj.concat function. Another variable called combined file path, which is used to store the file path of the output file. Then the data frame called combined data is returned to the Excel file called data combined using the toExcel method. Finally, a message is printed to the console to inform the user that the data from all worksheets has been combined into the specified file. One downside of this program is we have to manually specify the file path of the Excel file containing data. So let's create a more dynamic program with a user interface which will allow the user to select the Excel file having data tables. Now to create the new program, File, New File. Let's save the file. Save. Type in the file name. Save. and type in this code. Here we can specify the name of the output file. So in this program, we are creating a graphical user interface using the Python library called tkinter. Let's save this file. Before executing the program, let me delete this file. Now to execute the program, run module. Here we can see a button which says select Excel file. And here is a dialog which will allow us to select the Excel file containing data. We'll select this file called marklist. Open. See, new Excel file is created. Let me open this file. And this file contains the data from all 4 worksheets of the workbook called marklist. We'll delete this file. Close the Python program. Once again, sales data. $19,000 records from 11 worksheets. Here is one more reason to use this program. We'll copy this file into the desktop of this computer. See, the output file is created in the same folder as the source file. In the next video, we will discuss about the VBA code for combining data from different worksheets. Let's have a quick demo of the same. See, we have 4 worksheets in this workbook. And now when I execute this macro called combine sheets, see what happens. See, a new worksheet called master got added here. And here is an input box which says select the headers. Select the headers for the output. OK. See, data from 4 worksheets of this workbook is combined into the single sheet.